So this client is called Holford, and they're a Peruvian company who sells these super exciting breakfast cereals. And we're going to be putting them on Amazon.com for sale. So this is a website, Holford.com, and um, the products can be found here under Shop. And so when you're ready to find, if you ever have to find products information, which you will do for some parts of this project, it's going to be here under Shop. These are the different types of products. You'll see those cropping up on Amazon. If we go to Amazon, I've given you access to the Amazon Seller Central account by giving you my login. It should show you this desktop. When you get here, you're going to go to Inventory, Manage Inventory. These are the products that I already have set up in Amazon. I've set up 9 of them. There are, I believe, 13 in total. Um, there are 5 at the bottom that are inactive but out of stock. These products are finished. There are 4 products that are suppressed because they do not have images. Amazon does not let you sell products unless you have a picture of your product. So we need to get these products and images uploaded so that we can at least make these products available for sale once the client sends product to Amazon. So in order to do that, each product has a button over here on the right for edit. We're going to use the first one as an example, which is quinoa toppings. The product SKU is QT9-4. You can see that here in the product SKU column. That's important. So we're going to click edit. This is a simple part of this process. Amazon will tell us in just a moment where we've got a problem with our product. We can see that it puts this hazard alert symbol thing over images. That's where we've got the problem. We click on images. There are no product images. There's just a whole bunch of camera icons. We only want to upload one image. Obviously, we can upload a ton of different images for our product if we choose to. We're going to go here for the main product image, which is the one we need to upload. We're going to click Choose File. I've given you access to the folder with the product images in it. I'll just browse there. And I believe it was QT9-4 was the product that we wanted. So we're going to open that. It takes it a moment to upload it. And there's the product image. And now we can click Save and Finish at the bottom. Okay, updates have been submitted. It can take some time for the changes to be reflected, up to 15 minutes. So don't worry that we can't see the picture here. It still says no image available, and it still says suppressed. It's going to take Amazon up to 15 minutes for these changes to show up here in the inventory. It usually takes a lot less time. So just forget about the fact that you can't see any changes. You're just going to move to the next one. Obviously, by the time you get to this project, QT9-4 will be done and added to the list of products that are inactive but out of stock. So you'll have 3 to work with. So you need to do QT9, QT1.5, and QC9-4. Just repeat those same steps for each product. I didn't mean to click on that. And use the edit button over here and upload the relevant image for that. That obviously won't take you very long. The next part of the project is to work on setting up some products from scratch. So if we look on the spreadsheet that I shared you on, the products that are highlighted in light gray are the ones that are finished. The ones that are in blue require the product images. Now I'm going to change one of these blue ones to gray, because by the time you get this, QT9-4 will be finished. So these 3 blue ones need the product images. The ones that are white, which is this one, and row 6, row 8, row 9, and row 15, you're going to create those products yourself. It requires a little bit more work than just uploading the image. So if we were to start with this one, quinoa with yacon. Okay. Um, what I would suggest we do if we go to the inventory is we find a like product and we create a duplicate. It's always preferable to start with an existing product and create a copy of it than to start from scratch, because then a lot of the setup may be done for you already and it just saves time. So if we go to the bottom here and here's a quinoa with yacon product, um, I could copy a yacon product, but I could also copy a product that has the same weight as the product that I'm working with. So if I go back to the spreadsheet, this is a quinoa 1.5. Um, weight is over here on the very end, 1.5 ounces. So what I might do is I'm going to look for, here's a quinoa with maca at 1.5. I'm going to go over to edit. Oops. Actually, I am going to hit those little arrows to the right of edit. I'm going to go copy listing. So Amazon's going to leave certain information blank, and this is where we need to fill it in. This is the vital info section. This is where we need a product ID. Every product on Amazon has its own unique ID. There are no two products with the same ID. This is, very important for Amazon to be able to always have a unique identifier for every product. Otherwise, it would cause them a lot of problems. So we're going to give it our unique identifier. I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet, and that's going to be this product ID in column D. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that in here. And then I'm going to tell Amazon, now this is a GTIN. Okay, I know it's a GTIN because the product identifiers here in this column C is a GTIN. They're all GTINs, okay? So you'll always select GTIN. GTIN is a way of just, um, it's a universal way of across a global thing for identifying products. You can see that you can also use things like UPC, which is like UPC barcodes. So you can also give it UPCs or ASINs or ISBNs, but we're using GTINs. So the product is quinoa and maca, which is incorrect. Remember, we created a copy of another listing. So um, the product name is here in the spreadsheet, but what I want to do instead is use the product name from here. So it's actually, instead of quinoa and yacon, it's quinoa Y plus yacon syrup. So it's quinoa plus, I'm just going to put yacon in here. Okay. The brand name is Whole Thought, manufacturers Whole Thought. The unit count is 1.5 ounces. Which is fine. I'm going to click dot it up here at the top. I'm going to go to images. My product is QY 1.5. I'm going to select the image like we did before. Here's QY 1.5. Upload the image. There it is. Under offer, offer is really talking about price. So just to check to make sure you're getting the right price here in the spreadsheet, in this column K is price. It's $2.95. Quantity, you're going to get quantity from the spreadsheet. It's here in column L. It's quantity 1. And we're going to click on the fulfillment channel. Amazon will ship and provide customer service. Under more details, we're fine there. Under variations, we don't need any variations. Under vital info, we've got a problem. The value 1.5 specified cannot be used as it conflicts with the value of another ASIN in the Amazon catalog. I'm not sure why we have a problem there. Because we should be able to put a value of 1.5 in as many times as we like, as many products as we like. Unit count is ounce. Okay, now I am confused why we have that problem. There's our GTIN. Okay, I'm going to have to try and sort this out. I'm going to keep this video because hopefully I'll figure this out and then let you know what you need to do here. But I'm going to stop the video and figure this out and then get you the information to do the project.